Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get free followers on Instagram. So, are you tired of being nobody on Instagram? Well, get ready to become Insta somebody with my tips on getting free followers. So, first of all, you just have to copy your profile link. That's step number one. Then you have to open the browser and go for this Easy SMM shop. These guys are amazing and they run free trials to time. So the secret is that you have to keep an eye on them so you can get free stuff when they offer. Now let's find an Instagram and the services are we need. So let's go with 100 followers, then no drop options. Now let's paste the link for profile and you have to enter your email and then tap on this get free trial. Done, and that's all, nothing else needed for your site. Just hit that and wait for your followers to be upgraded. So here are the results. We have empty page and no post and still get amazing followers. So that's it for this video. That's how you can get free Instagram followers. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.